How is it going, everybody? I'm here with some tips on how to stay fit and the best techniques. If you want to start doing street workout, you don't need any equipment. You don't need a gym membership. You just need your body and a little bit of willpower. And trust me, the results that you can achieve are absolutely incredible. When it comes to staying fit, there are a few key things that you need to keep in mind. First and foremost, you need to make sure that you are eating healthy. This exercise is amazing for your chest and your triceps. To do a dip, you will need 2 parallel bars that are about shoulder width apart. Place your hands on the bars with your fingers pointing forward. It's about how you feel when you are doing it. So, go at your own pace and challenge yourself to do one more rep or lift a little bit more weight each time you work out. With dedication and hard work, you will see results. Lower yourself down by bending your elbows until your shoulders are even with your elbows. Push yourself back up and repeat. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe so you never miss another video. Thanks for watching. You can't expect to stay in shape if you are constantly consuming processed foods and sugary drinks. Make sure to fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to stay healthy and strong. Another important tip is to make sure that you are getting enough sleep. To do a push-up, place your hands on the ground directly under your shoulders. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your chest is just above the ground. Push yourself back up and repeat. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more of the hormone cortisol, which can lead to increased appetite and weight gain. This exercise is great for your legs and your glutes. To do a squat, stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your weight evenly distributed on both feet. Lower your body by bending your knees and hips until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Push through your heels to stand back up and repeat. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Now let's talk about the best techniques. The first one is the pull-up. Pull-ups are a great way to train your back and your arms. To do a pull-up, find a high bar that is at least 6 feet off the ground. Grab the bar with an overhand grip, hang from the bar, and then pull yourself up until your chin is over the bar. Lower yourself back down and repeat. Another great exercise is the dip. The next exercise is the push-up. Push-ups are a bodyweight exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Finally, we have the squat. Remember, it's not about how much you can lift or how many reps you can do. So those are some tips on how to stay fit and the best techniques for street workout.